Hi everyone, this is Stephen Hickey and I'm outside. Thought I'd take you out and you can listen to the crickets and the frogs in nature. So I'm out here. It's pretty dark. Well, I can hardly see now because that light was in my eye. But just listen. All the different sounds of nature out here. You can see loads of stars and you hear all the crickets and the frogs. You can just hear a lot. Just listen to that, eh? Just a talking up a storm. It's like the sun goes down and it's their daytime and the nighttime for them, eh? Okay, well I just wanted to share that nature's beautiful noises with you. And we go over to this side and we can hear more crickets. Just listen to that. An airplane's going over their head. Well, that's it for now. I just wanted to bring you out into my nature and you can hear my world, what's going on around me. Alright, until next time, have a great evening.